Howdy, everybody. It's Mrs. Ermson. How are you? Oh, I'm so glad. Well, the next 2 weeks we're going to be talking about farm animals. So I thought we should do a fun craft that has to do with one of our farm animals. I'm not going to tell you right away what we're going to do, so I'm going to see if you can guess in a few minutes after I tell you the supplies that we're going to need. So first, before we get started, you're going to need some pink paper, some black paper, a glue stick, your scissors, a paper towel roll or a toilet paper roll, either or. A white paper plate. What shape is that? Great, a circle. And a pink crayon. So first, what you'll do after you get all your supplies, you'll take your white plate and your pink crayon, and you will color all around the edges and in the middle, trying to get almost all the spots, but if you don't get everything, no worries. Okay, so once all the coloring is done, you can put that aside. Then we're going to take these, what are these called again? Our scissors. You're right. And remember how to hold them? What goes on top? Yes. The small circle goes on top and the bigger circle goes on the bottom. And what goes in the top? Thumbs up for good job, right? So the thumb goes in the smaller hole and the pointer finger and the middle finger go in the bottom hole. So we're slipping it in like that, and when we cut, we're going up for good job. What you'll need mom and dad to do for you before we get cutting, and maybe when you're coloring, they can draw these two shapes on the pink paper. What? 1, 2, 3 sides it has. What shape is that? You're right, a triangle. And on the other pink paper, what shape is that? A circle. You're right. And finally, on our black piece of paper, we have how many? 1, 2. 2 smaller circles. So when you're cutting, remember, thumbs up for good job. And what you can first do is take your paper and go ahead and follow up the lines, and then once this is cut out, you can turn your paper and cut. Whoops, cut there. So this side will be cut, that side will be cut. Once all the shapes are cut out, so you will have 3 circles, 2 smaller circles and 1 bigger circle, and 2 triangles, you're ready to put your animal together. Any guesses before I show you what mine's going to look like so you know where to put your parts? I think you guessed it. See if you're right. Ta-da! It's our pig. So what you will do is after you get all your pieces cut, you will take your glue stick, just like we do at school, give that a turn so that the glue pops up on the top of the plate. You will put your triangles. 1, 2. Once you're done with them, you can give them a little bend because the ears kind of turn in a little bit. When you finish cutting out your black circles, you can put glue on them and put them there for the eyes. Good job. I see you. What shape is that? Good job, circle. So our paper toilet roll or your paper towel roll will need quite a bit of glue, and you can hold that in the center of the plate and hold that and count to maybe 10 or 20 if it's not sticking that well. For your pink circle, after you cut that out, you can take black marker or black crayon and draw 2 ovals and then glue that on. You can take your white colored pencil or crayon or a piece of chalk, make 2 eyes, and take your black crayon or marker and give it a smile. I hope you like this craft. Have a fun time making it. I'll see you again soon. Bye.